Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off the Apple TV remote on your iPhone. If you're looking to disconnect or remove the Apple TV remote from your iPhone, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's quickly go over how you might be using your iPhone as an Apple TV remote in the first place. To do this, you would typically open the Control Center on your iPhone and tap the Apple TV remote icon. From there, you can easily connect to your Apple TV device and use your iPhone as a remote. It's a convenient feature, but sometimes you might want to disable or remove it from your Control Center. To remove the Apple TV remote and stop having access to it on your iPhone, here's what you need to do. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Control Center. This is where you can customize what appears in your Control Center. Next, scroll down to the section labeled Included Controls. This is where all the features currently available in your Control Center are listed. Look for Apple TV Remote in this list. To remove it, simply tap the red minus or button next to Apple TV Remote. A Remove option will appear. Tap on that to confirm your choice. And that's it. The Apple TV remote will no longer appear in your Control Center, so you won't have access to it from there anymore. This is a great way to clean up your Control Center if you find yourself not using this feature very often. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips. See you guys later.